Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. Today we have again the FMS Ranger 1220. And you may ask why? Because the previous two maiden attempts were unsuccessful. So hopefully in this video I'll be showing you the final third and successful maiden flight of this beautiful looking airplane. I had very high hopes of this airplane. In case you haven't watched my previous videos of FMS Rangers, my first Ranger was the Baby Ranger. This is the 850mm wingspan Ranger, and I love it. This is such a nice, docile, pilot-friendly airplane, and it flies great on a 2S battery. And this is like one of my go-to airplanes, and it only cost me less than $100. Plug and play. So I just had to put in a dumb receiver. I like dumb receivers, not the ones with the stability control. I have gotten myself into trouble too many times trying to use those smart receivers that help you stabilize things. On certain airplanes they work well, but on certain ones they make me crash the airplanes. So this had with the dumb receiver, this is perfect. I didn't care. So I put a dumb receiver on this one. On the first attempt, well, the propeller left the airplane. Whoa! We lost the prop. We lost the prop. And on the second attempt, the prop was screwed in very well with some thread lock compound, so it didn't come off, but the motor started cutting off, and several times I had to do emergency landings.
Oh, it doesn't. I don't have any power anymore. I don't know what happened this time. Okay, ditching again.
And we were just wondering, is it battery issue? Is it motor issue? We finally thought with my friend that it is due to the ESC, electronic speed control. So I was checking online what ESC they put in, and the website on Banggood shows 20 amps. I think for this size of airplane, 20 amps is too low. I'm guessing I have been overheating the ESC during the flight. So in my hands I have 3 ESCs, the smallest one 30 amps, next 40, and the largest one 50 amps. So the 30 amp ESC cost me about $5, the 40 about $8, and the 50 about $12, all from Banggood. I purchased them when they were on sale, and I have plenty of these. So what I'm going to do next is take the nose cone off and get to the ESC, pull it out. If it is 20 amps, I'm going to put 30. If it is 30 amps, I'm going to 40. So I'm going to put 10 up, and hopefully that will be enough. So let's get started. Yes, it is indeed a 20 amp ESC. This is Predator, and this needs to be replaced. I think this is way too small for this size of airplane. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the 30 amp ESC, the exact one that I used previously on that Cessna 182 1200mm plus airplane that I got from Banggood, which I just reviewed before this video. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. This one was successfully used on that 1200mm size wingspan airplane, so it should be good for this one as well because it's about the same size. I just need to do the soldering of the XT60 plug and some bullet connectors to this one. Fortunately, I have the correct size bullet as well as the XT60 connector. The connectors of the new ESC are all done. Hopefully the leads will be long enough. As you can see, the originals were much longer than these. So I swapped 2 of the wires because the motor was turning backwards. Now it is turning in the correct direction, and everything seems to be working. Alright, final checks. Right alarm up, left alarm up, elevator up, elevator down, right rudder, left rudder. Alright, let's check the power. On the field, tomorrow do a range check and be ready for the maiden flight.